Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to enable and set up custom notifications on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Telegram app and open the chat or conversation where you want to set up custom notifications, and tap on the three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on mute, tap on customize, and now you can change the sound. You can change the pop-up notification to enable or disable. Also, you can change the call's ringtone, and also you can change the color. And to make reset, tap on reset to default settings. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.